Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Ke kabanja ya ki news pa prangut ki samla puli na India ki blathep kerteng yala di banyo puli ha Harvard University ha pokari Amerika. Namar ka Khang pyrshah U Donal trum. Menta usnem ki don palat news pa prangut ki samla puli na India ki bala pendung kerteng na ki hindriu hajar pras ngut ki samla puli ki bawana shabari. Haga sunjam kabala banwan ra ka jing sha penthut ka bakrau haga jing angnut puli jong ki samla badaina pokari India ka sarkar Amerika blayalam de Donald Trump kala Khang ye ka jing priangi ki samla puli na bari ha Harvard University manla usnem de kis pangut ki samla puli na India ki yo bandrung shakate ka jaka puli ka bahe bha kabla khen kun ka wini ki jaka puli pa paunam tam ha ka prthei Bad kabadonru haga kedan kabasau haga kedan kabasau haga kedan joka QS World University arhajar arsan ka Harvard kadi ka joka kabla thangbhana kabda ki samla puli na India ki ba puli ki jing puli ka kam khai ka an ka science bar ka technology kate ka jing pinna ka long hapning ka jing yakin at ka banang kiu hapning president joka America U Donald Trump bar ka Harvard University ka prestigium ka badai ka secretary jing ka nan paharari kala pensngo ya kani ka railing ba ka shiti shaka Harvard University kumbalay tho da ka khubor jongka The New York Times ha ka shiti jongka ka niom kala ong na kwa ban pentip ya phi ba ya ka jingpen scam ya ka program pian school ba jongka Harvard na ka benta ki samla puli bar ka jingkala ha ka jingpuli la pensa ne no mardon kumta kani ka rai kan kta ki samla puli na India ki ba puli menta ha Harvard ne ki tu ki ba thmu ban kumrum karte Ikot kisla jong ka Harvard ki pen iba manla usnem hapeng sanspa adu praspa angut ki samla puli na India ki yo bandrung ha kani ka school ba ha ka bagidan ko ban 2000 praspa ngut ki samla puli na bari baro kawe nagabanta uni usnem ki don news pa prapu prangut ki samla puli na India ki bala pendrum kerteng yela di hapo jong kate ka jaka puli artli kila na benta ki samla puli na India karai jong ka sarkar utram kawan ra ka jing e ka bakrau nagabanta kini ki samla puli kaba ai ya ki artli kilan ban pinken ria shakaway par ka jaka puli lane ban du no ya ka kedan an jongki ha US ki samla puli na India kila ban jit ban rung ha ki way par ki jaka puli ha Amerika lada omla ban ne kumta kan pelong ban mi no nagari Amerika hapleng gene ka jing e ka don ka jing penjam ya ki samla puli ki bladep sedang ya ka semester ka ba menta ha Harvard ka shithi jong ka Christinium ka kdo ba ki samla puli ki bala dab ban pendrung kerteng haswa ha kani ka session ka ba menta ki la ban pendap ya ka jing puli jongki na Harvard University ya kani ka jing pen kala ka policy on pentrekam na du usnam puli arhajar arpsan arhajar arpndriu ban pentikna ba ki samla puli ki ba menta ki ya kendu ya ka jing sha penthun ka ba e ha ka jing puli jongki
of dollars has been paid to Harvard. How ridiculous is that? Billions. And they have $52 billion as an endowment. They have $52 billion. And this country is paying billions and billions of dollars and then gives student loans and they have to pay back the loans. So Harvard's going to have to change its ways.
Why would you not want the best and brightest from around the world to come,
I do.
to come to Harvard?
I do. But a lot of the people need remedial math. Did you see that? Where the students can't add 2 and 2 and they go to Harvard. They want remedial math and they're going to teach remedial math at Harvard. No, wait a minute. So why would they get in? How can somebody that can't add or has very basic skills, how do they get into Harvard? Why are they there? And then you see those same people picketing and screaming at the United States and screaming at, they're anti-Semitic or they're something. We don't want troublemakers here. But how do people that can't, when Harvard comes out with a statement that they're going to teach some of their students remedial math, that's basic math, that's not the deal.